a science communication lab, and we call it a lab because you're actually up on your feet doing improv exercises, and I use those improv exercises as a way of doing communications training. So mostly about giving tips and tools for presentation skills. I always kind of suggest use the reason that you're passionate for your subject. Why did you do 20 years of study in the swamps and gathering samples in 5 a.m. in the horrible weather and all that stuff? As part of what you do because you love it. Use a little bit of that passion for your subject to express your subject, and it'll land better with the audience. So relatability, using a little bit of emotion, and being present, all those things come out of improv training.